Alright, in this video we have the Rollo printer. We've been printing 4x6 labels, and I'm switching over to the 2x4 labels. So in order to switch labels, we all know you need to hold down the button on the printer so that it learns the labels. What you also need to do is make sure you have the label set up in the computer, and that's what we're going to look at today. So we're going to go to our printer and the settings. Find Rollo, click Manage, click Preferences, go into Settings, and you can see a couple I've created already. This 100 by 210 is the 4x6 label. I should have named it that. And then we have 4x2. So you can give it a name. We'll call these name tags. And for the width, we'll set it to 100. And the height is 50. And these are in millimeters. I'm not worried about any margins or anything, but if you have that requirement, this is where you would add that. And then you just click Save. All right. So you can see it there. And if you want to make any changes, you can do so. We'll click OK. Now we can go into Adobe, go to File, Print, and you can see these are the wrong size there, so we'll go to Page Setup. Obviously you want to make sure that your printer is selected. Page Setup, and we'll select the new one, Name Tags. And you can make little changes here. These margins are default for the document. And click OK. And now it's going to be set up to print the way we want it with the 4x2. So it's a two-step process to change your paper. You need to change in the printer and double check that you have the size set up and change the size in here or whatever program you're printing from. Alright, that's all for this one. Please let us know if this one helped or not in the comments. Definitely give the video a thumbs up. That helps us a lot, as well as a subscribe for more content like this.